Hi, let's see how we can use Excel to create a simple histogram. I've gone and punched in some raw data here into two columns, and what we've done is asked some random students in a school what their favorite day of the school week was. So it's not very effective just displayed like this, so let's add a histogram. The way I do that is I'm going to highlight both of these columns with the left mouse button, just like that. Then Insert and Chart. I have a lot of different types of charts I can create, but column is the very first one we want because it creates a histogram for us. And I'm just going to take the default chart subtype. It's fine. We'll hit next, and it gives us a preview of how our chart is going to look. That looks pretty good so far, but let's see if we can spruce that up. We'll hit next, and here's where we can add some titles. Every chart should have titles so we know what we're looking at. Let's say the title of this is just the question that we ask students. What is your favorite school day? There we go. And then the x-axis will say days of the week. And then the y value, the y-axis will be number of students. We added 3 titles and it's already a lot better. Now the legend, which is right here, isn't really all that useful for me in this particular assignment. So I'm going to get rid of it by going to the legend tab and then taking off this check mark for show legend. Okay. Now let's go to data labels. And I just wanted to add the number of students at the top of each one of these bars. So that's going to be the value check mark. So under data labels tab, I went to value and added a check mark. And that looks pretty good. So I'll hit next. And now I'm going to add it as an object in the current sheet I'm working with. So I'll just hit finish. And there I go. I've got a pretty nice looking histogram that I can drag around with the left mouse button and put wherever I want. Now, if you've been paying some really serious close attention, you noticed I had a typo in my Friday. It's actually Frizzday right here. So how do I change that? Well, I don't have to go back and create a whole new table. That would be terrible. I can just go to my data in the Excel spreadsheet and make a change. I'll just get rid of that Z. And when I hit the mouse button, you'll see it's updated in my chart right away. Okay, so there is how you create a histogram in Excel.